Hey everybody, this is Zach Warren down here at Phillips RV in Bradley, Illinois, and behind me is the beautiful Coachmen Chaparral Lite. So to tell you a little bit of story about Coachmen. Coachmen got bought out by Forest River a few years ago. The CEO of Forest River told Forest River, you have to keep the Coachmen name. You have to keep it a separate entity. The reason being is this name speaks volumes. This is one of the only manufacturers to be around since the 1960s and never stop production. The Coachmen name is everywhere and everyone knows it. First thing we're going to look at is this right here. If you look, it's called TurnTech technology. What this is they actually cut your right angles off of the front of your fifth wheel. So if you have a regular bed truck, this isn't going to knock out your windows or dent the back of your truck because it's actually cut for a tighter turn. You get much tighter turns in this, much better maneuverability. You have the power front stabilizer jacks. In here we have our storage with our battery, all of our hydraulics, but you have some nice storage in here. This is not prepped for a generator, but we can install a generator in these. Now with these, just very easy close. Twist of the knobs, and we're good to go. If we come around this way, the next thing we're going to talk about is the exterior material. This is made of a product called Azdel. The way they make Azdel is they take their interior wall, their insulation, their exterior wall, and a very special polyurethane. That polyurethane is activated with water. It is then vacuum sealed for 11 hours. Now, what the benefit of that is it completely cures. This Azdel has a less than 1% chance of delamination. I'm one of those people that's bold enough to say it's never going to delaminate because less than 1% chance, that is a very tiny chance of that ever happening. Now the second thing with this is if you look right here, it says Weather Shield. These are rated from 0 to 115 degrees. That gives you a much longer camping season. This is easily a 3.5 season camper. I mean, we all know these Chicago winters can be absolutely brutal. But, you know, I mean, you can go to Texas in the middle of July or possibly even Maine in November and still be comfortable in this. Now, looking right here, we have our storage. We have our power cord in here. This is 50 amp power. We have an ample storage compartment underneath. You know, I could sleep in here if I really wanted to. I wouldn't want to, but I could. And you know, you get plenty of room back here for putting whatever you want. These are slam latches on the doors, so you just close them and they close automatically. Now the door is just going to be a standard catch door with high quality aluminum steps. We have the big bar here for stability for getting up. Now the windows. What's really great about these is every window in this camper opens. On a great day like today when it's about 78 degrees out and no humidity, you can open up all these windows and get a beautiful breeze through the camper. It is amazing because, you know, you can get that fresh air, whether you're in the mountains or by a lake, and just really smell the outdoors and get that sense that, you know, you got some fresh air around you. Coming around the back of the camper, this one does have the ladder that comes down and automatically stores. And then you have the rack here. Most people use these for totes, and they also come with the bar where you can store bikes. And then they also come with the non-slip for getting up, so you don't have to worry about slipping on the bumper climbing. Coming around to the other side, beautiful color on this with the beige and the black. We do have our outdoor shower as well as a black tank flush to keep that black tank clean. And again, that is a pass-through storage all the way through here. Very easy tank fill system, very easy water hookup, everything. Just an overall very user-friendly system, very user-friendly camper, very high-quality camper, great name behind it. And then here, of course, you've got your Furrion, 50 amp connection. Furrion is the staple in RV. Anytime you see Furrion, it screams quality. Chaparral Lite, we're going to talk about the interior this time. And as you can see, I am sitting on this beautiful, comfortable, well-made leather couch that does pull out into a sofa bed. It is not a jackknife. This is a sofa bed. It's a beautiful cream color, part of the Thomas Paine collection. Thomas Paine is a staple of all RV furniture. It's very high-end, very comfortable. Very easy to get up from. As you can see standing right here, we do have a ducted heating system as well as a ducted air conditioning system. This is dual ductors, means there's 2 ducts running through instead of just one. You can see the parallel vents. This is going to come with a Furrion TV. Furrion is a staple of the RV industry. It screams quality for electronics. As well as your entertainment system here. AM, FM, CD, DVD, auxiliary, SD, USB, and Bluetooth all in one. Controls the inside speakers and the outside speakers. Beautiful electric fireplace. This does put out heat. So if you're waking up early in the morning, you don't want to run your propane, just run this and stay warm in here. On this one, we have a beautiful pantry in here. Now, one of my favorite things is I am a Keurig user. You have these beautiful pull-out drawers. Then you have this shelf right up here with the plug-in. So for me, I'd put my Keurig right up here, put all my Keurig pods in here when I'm waking up 5:30 in the morning to enjoy the sunrise. I'm going to put in my Keurig right here. It's already plugged in, and get everything ready and have all that ample storage space. It's a beautiful glass inlay in here with the wood. This is not pressed board or anything like that. We have the hard surface countertops. This is not a laminated material. It's all hard surface. We have the high faucet with the 50/50 stainless steel sink. These are cutting boards. Beautiful sink here. Just beautiful hardware. Very, very sturdy. Sturdy cabinetry hardware, sturdy cabinets. It's just a quality camper. Now the price on these are not insane either. Something like this is going to sticker for probably right around $47,000. For a fifth wheel, that is very, very cheap, especially with that Coachmen name on it. We have the Dometic automatic refrigerator that will run off electricity or gas. If you have milk or eggs while you're going home, that will keep that cool in there and run off the propane. 3-burner cooktop with the stove, and then of course your microwave and your overhead for your stove. Beautiful thing with this dinette here, you get the 4 chairs that strap down, and as you can see here, there is a leaf that will pull out and make an extension if you need more room. Theater chairs right here to our left, again very comfortable. These do recline. All you have to do is sit right down. There's a pull right here. They come right up, and they are extremely comfortable to watch that beautiful Furrion TV with. Now, if you want to follow me, we're going to go into the bathroom and bedroom. We have our RV Comfort air conditioning system right here, along with all our slide and awning controls. Everything in here is power, awning, slides. You can check all of your lights and everything, your water heater, check your levels. In here, we have a very, very nice bathroom. We have got the sink here with the silver hardware. Nice looking medicine cabinet. They actually give you the holders and everything automatically in here. They give you your AquaChem everything for future use. Toilet here, also with that beautiful radial shower here in the corner. It's a nice size shower. Head comes down from the wall, so you can use it as a hand unit. And then you do have some storage here into the bathroom that is going to continue into the bedroom. The bedroom's going to give you a nice wardrobe here. I'll let my camera girl get in here and give you a view of that. And then you also have storage in the bed here. Nice queen size bed here with the USB ports on the wall to charge your devices. And a mount in here for a TV that has your satellite and cable hookup. Again, my name is Zachary Warren here at Phillips RV in Bradley, Illinois. This is a Coachmen Chaparral Lite. Beautiful unit, very well made. Again, that Coachmen name behind it. I'd like to see you in here so we can send you on an adventure and you can make some memories.